What's going on, pumpkin people? It's Sunday, another update on Cardinal. Stick around for this week's update. All right, so what we're gonna do here first, like we always do, the plant is looking pretty good. We just had a major rainstorm blow through. A little bit of plant damage here. Nothing, gonna stop Cardinal from growing, but a little bit of damage. The plant's just kind of fragile as they get older. Generalized aging out there on the leaves, and the plant itself is okay, and Cardinal is still growing. Take a look at Cardinal here, and I'm gonna just wait a little bit here till I give you the weight of Cardinal this week. So let's take a look underneath at the blossom. We had a lot of rain, and I'm hoping she doesn't split. Knock on wood. Let's take a look. I'm not sure if you can see, but hopefully she's not split, because that was the first time I've just taken a look at Cardinal. It's kind of muddy out here, but sorry for the shaky camera there. Let's take a look at that stem. Stem is looking pretty good. I got that fan blowing 24/7, good slack, and the leaves are just they're just brittle right now. So see, like the broken leaf here, and I think that's just normalized plant aging. We got 2 weeks till the biggie. I'm still not sure if we're gonna take Cardinal there or not. I'm leaning towards possibly. Let's just get right to the good stuff here. So Cardinal is, drum roll please, estimated weight on September 7th, 905 pounds. We are 95 pounds away from our goal of 1,000 pounds. I think 160 inches in circumference. Front to back is 91 and a half or 91. Left to right's 87 inches. It's a real low, wide fruit. I mean, she doesn't really gain much side to side. It's just all really in circumference wise, but 900 pounds. I mean, we are so close to our goal. I don't know, she's looking heavy to me. Not like last year. If you followed my page, we had Casper. Casper went light on us, but I had a feeling Casper would go light, but this one seems solid. I mean, it's such a low fruit. I don't think there's much of a cavity on this fruit. So I'm gonna say that middle is pretty solid. And I'm hoping that scale will read 4 digits for us in a couple weeks. We'll see in a couple weeks. I mean, if she's still growing, it's gonna be tough for me to cut this off, but that's a kind of a good angle. Like kind of how big Cardinal really is. It's a really, really big pumpkin. Pretty happy with it so far. Just need to get it to a scale and get weighed. Notes for next year. I might have to make the patch a little wider. And once I got into this corner, it was kind of tough to bury and walking around. I think I need to lay boards out like in the spring so I can get through the plant during the season. But let me know in the comment section what you guys want to see for next week's video. If you have questions on fertilizing, fungicides, soil, let me know, and I could definitely make a little video, something if you want to really grow one of these pumpkins. If you're looking for seeds from a giant pumpkin, hopefully we'll get seeds from Cardinal, and I'll dry them out and I'll have them for sale on our website. The website link is in my bio on my YouTube page. Tonight's gonna be 48 degrees, so let's get Cardinal covered up here. Just wanted to show you what we're gonna be doing tonight, because it's gonna be 48 degrees. So we got a sheet, on a king size sheet over Cardinal, a big comforter, and then this old beach towel, and we're completely covering up this fruit. I'm doing it right now to hold in any solar heating we have here, just to hold in that heat into that fruit for tonight. But it's something I do recently here, so I'm going to take these blankets off in the morning. I'll leave the sheet on so the plant can just air out. So I'll probably actually take everything off in the morning so it just air out, because it's a little wet. Don't want anything growing on our pumpkin. But thanks for joining. If you haven't already, like and subscribe to our page. Until next time, grow 'em big.